Committee rang ba ukondat sang mau lo ong ba kasokar kan syong no himenta katayo banyak kran hakai dei ba reservation policy ba kumjuru ba roster system. Habekal mekin tok khobor hadin balawai ke jalang jongga G20 summit haslong ukondat ulong ba kan syong shwa ka sarkar banyak perkhat ya kan kambar hadin ne pat kasalum yegi pat ki bor ni ki kenhon ki bedai minta bat kan ka policy. Ulong ba nakalang ka sarkar kan lum ki babun ki jalang kanang banyak kan ya sutu jumbut halo kini ke benta kasakar kan baik du yaki kot kisla nang tai yaki hukum jongka yang besar bat ki wide ki benta nang bala man penbaik ya kini ke kam halo ke jing keli bala kini ke jing yaki alor ka reservation policy kona ke jing ya pat ya peran ke jing ya pat aleng apren ki khasi bagi garo u kona sama ulong ba kini ke jabet simbala kata ya kena kundu ka reservation policy pat kini ke jaru wadakan takaru dai kam longpat ka bamasau ni kam nilai namar kedai hi banja kumne ni kali kadon kampat yaki ru perkhat yaki beri kepada sarkar bat ki kenhun ke paper banyak song perkhat banyak penbaik ya kan kam.
So we are in fact just working on that, and we are discussing with all our team members, our officials. We all have to appreciate that this is a very complicated subject. We also have to appreciate that it is a very sensitive subject. This is affecting a lot of people. So hence we need to ensure that while we try to resolve this issue and move forward, we need to take all stakeholders on board, and hence the process of discussion and consultation will start. We will be soon calling the meeting. Within this week itself, we'll be having an internal meeting of the government, and it will take some time for us to go through all the documentation paper, the court orders, the proper interpretation of all of that. And after the discussion takes place, we will expand it further to political parties, then we'll further expand it to stakeholders, and then after taking everybody on board, then we will figure out how we should move forward. So we have nothing to say about the opinions which they have, because it's a democratic process. So obviously in democracy everybody's voice is important. So therefore if a political party is talking about this, then they have the right to talk about it. But ultimately we have to take all stakeholders on board, and then we have to decide what is in the best interest. And we will see as the things go forward. We will sit down, we'll get the facts correct, we will get all the points out, we'll get all the issues out, we'll discuss it threadbare, and then we'll decide how to move.
Do you think there's a division between Garo and Khasis, because we're seeing protests emerging?
See, the issue of always looking at an interest for a particular society or group or community is always there. There's nothing wrong in that, and I think that is something that is natural. We have seen this play out in Karnataka recently. In Karnataka also we are seeing this reservation issue coming out during election time. But it's a natural thing. It's not something that one can say that it doesn't happen anywhere. It happens everywhere, and it's natural. But what is important is we need to come together. We need to figure out how we could move forward together, what would be in the best interest of the state and the people, and decide on how we can move forward. So that's how we should do it.